Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows error code 0x800b0101. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the Windows error code 0x800b0101, then I will show you a simple method how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to click on this start menu, then click on settings. Here you can see time and language. You need to click on this, then click on date and time. After that, you can see here set time automatically. Just off this option. Here you can see set date and time manually. Click on this change. Select the present date and set the time, then click on change, then close this window, then right click on this start menu. Here you can see terminal admin. Click on this, click on yes, here you need to type sfc space / scan now. Then hit enter. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes. After that, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So this way you can fix Windows error code 0x800b0101. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.